Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Namonje. Hi. So this video I'll be giving you 3 tips on doing when doing makeup, like mistakes, correcting mistakes that happen when you're doing makeup, and then fixing and making other things better. So if you want to see how I created this look, this simple look, because I'm getting ready for church, you can continue watching this video without wasting much time. Let's jump right into the video. Is lipstick. Okay, now every time, okay, I'm using this lipstick. This is a dupe of a Kylie lipstick, Kylie cosmetic lipstick. So it's in this color, burgundy. Like, I really love this color in lipstick. I don't know why, but I feel it's really nice.
That's good.
This lipstick is kind of like a metallic lipstick, and then I like it when it's matte. Okay, I like it when lipstick is matte because it makes it less transferable. So what you do is you get tissue, just ordinary tissue, okay, like this, and then you, I don't know what this is called, but yeah, you kind of bite into the tissue with your lips, okay, and then you can see that everything, every extra lipstick that was on top is transferred to the tissue, okay. You check, then like I can see from here, like somewhere here, there's still some extra metallic part of the lipstick. So again, so there you go. That's the first tip of how you can get easy matte lipstick from any type of lipstick. So I already prepped my face for this video because I just had specific things I wanted to do. Second tip is with eyeshadow, okay? Eyeshadow. Oh, I use this eyeshadow a lot. Eyeshadow, okay. So normally this eyeshadow is not very visible. Now this is a tip when your eyeshadow is not very visible, like when you apply and then it's not showing. What you can do is get your concealer, okay, your concealer, okay, and then the white side of the concealer, okay, you get some of it, just a little bit of it, and then dab depending on how much you want, or depending on how full you want it to be on your eyes. So I want it to go all the way, okay. I know this might probably be looking crazy right now, but then just give it a minute. So as you can see, it's covered my entire eyelid, and then since I'm wearing a pink top, I feel I should have pink makeup, but then I don't want it to be too bright because it will be contrasting with my top. So I'll use this shade, okay, this shade, take some of it, okay, and then you see how much of it is showing up now. See how much of the color is coming out. I'm trying to look in the mirror and I'm trying to talk, but okay, let me try and put it here. Yeah, you see how much of the color is. Then you just blend it in, and you see, I mean, your easy eyeshadow look. Yeah, this is for when your eyeshadow is not very visible. And then I'll do the other side of camera. Also then I went in and just highlighted the corners of my eyes, and that's all. So the third tip that you're going to want to know is about mascara. Okay, this is my mascara. Make a mascara mistake, and that is so irritating because normally you would want to wipe, and then as you wipe it spreads everywhere. But then I've got a tip. I got you girls, I got you. So I'll be applying my mascara. So as you can see, you see what has happened now. I ended up blinking so much, and then I've messed up my makeup here, okay. I've messed up my makeup here. So what you need is a Q-tip. And then I'm wondering, Namonje, what are you talking about? And then it's dry, so you wet it a little bit. Okay, I have my water right here. You wet the Q-tip a little bit, and then go over it like this, and then boom, the mascara is all fixed. Just dab, and then that's all. So that's 3 tips that you can be using when you're getting ready. Mascara, you use a Q-tip, and you can see the Q-tip is now dirty with the mascara because I just wet it a little bit and then dab where the mascara mistake has been made. Lipstick, you can't get a matte lipstick, use tissue, remove the extra, you have a dry lip. For the eyeshadow, just apply any white base that's there. And that's it for this video. Bye guys.